Hi friends, good morning. So I'm here in Bangalore. So I'm just starting towards Hyderabad. So this is my old friend, school friend. His name is Alok. He is from Uttar Pradesh. So he is working here in Bangalore, and he just hosted me for today here. So we had a good time. I'm meeting him after 17 years. So it was really amazing. Okay, so let's start towards Hyderabad. ठीक है भाई,
चल भाई।
फिर मिलते हैं। ठीक है,
हाँ,
आजा।
विश यू हैप्पी जर्नी और
ओके।
सेफ जर्नी, बढ़िया से जा।
Just now I just said tata bye bye to my friend Alok, and now I'm heading towards Hyderabad. So I just started the map. It's showing around 11 hours journey. Okay, it's a bit long journey, and I'm heading towards Hyderabad today. So I'm not going to drive at night. So before 12 o'clock, I'm just planning to reach Hyderabad. Okay, so I'll be riding slowly only. Okay, so let's catch up in highway. So guys, it's showing around 600 kilometers from Bangalore to Hyderabad. So it's a bit long ride. I'm taking pollution certificate in outer Bangalore. So this is the procedure. They have inserted something inside uh, the exhaust, and it's ready actually. Ready, yeah? Validity na? Oh, December, huh? 1 year varada? 1 year. Huh? 6 months, 6 months. Price? 65 rupees. Okay. So now I have taken pollution certificate for my bike, and it charged around 65 rupees, which is okay. So after crossing Bangalore toll and all, the roads are looking better actually. Pune 870, Hyderabad 550, KA Airport 35, Dobbalapura, Hyderabad 550. So more 550 kilometers to go. Thank you. So this boy was just following me from past like half a kilometer and all. I was wondering what he just went in front of me, and then again he just came back and saw my sticker. I have mentioned like Kanyakumari to Kashmir, right? So after seeing that, he came near me and just he just asked me something. I just went near him, and he said like, "You are going Kashmir?" I said yes. Oh, very good. All the best. Like that he said. It will be a motivation for us. Okay, so this is the enjoyment of riding. People are there to motivate you. Okay, you have to ride. So I can see many AP vehicles. So Andhra Pradesh vehicle, I think like border will come, and then Hyderabad is in Telangana after Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra vehicles are started coming in this highway. टैंक फुल लीटर कितना 103। इधर कॉस्टली है हाँ? ज़्यादा है इधर कर्नाटका। आंध्रा में ज़्यादा और कितना? 110। यो 110 है। This is Andhra Karnataka border, and in 5 kilometers Andhra border will come. I mean like Andhra will come. So in Andhra petrol cost is like 1 not 10. In Andhra cost of the petrol per liter is 110. Here it's 103. New Rajasthani Dhaba. So guys, I'm having my lunch here, jeera rice and lassi. Okay, so this is the lassi. Okay, sweet lassi. So here in Andhra, climate is hot only. So no signs of rain and all. So I need to ride in this hot weather only. In Kanyakumari, we saw this windmill, and now here in Andhra Pradesh, we are seeing it again. But this is not in the ground actually, it's in hill. Sun is about to set, and like we have still 5 hours for the ride, 300 kilometers. Okay, so next video will be in dark. நீங்க இங்க வர்க்கீங்களா? ஓ நான் வண்டி நம்பர் பார்த்தேன். சரி, இங்கே வேலை பார்த்துட்டு இருப்பீங்கன்னு நினச்சேன். நான் பெங்களூரில் போனேன். முந்தானத்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன். பெங்களூர் ஸ்டே பண்ணிட்டு காலையில் பெங்களூர்லேருந்து கிளம்பி வந்திருக்கேன். இப்போ நாளைக்கு நாக்பூர் அப்படியே. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ப்ரோ, பாய் பாய். So guys, now I just saw one Tamil Nadu bike. So he is working in Telangana here in Hyderabad, it seems. He saw my vehicle, Tamil Nadu registered vehicle. So that's why he asked me like, bro, where are you going? You are going for a trip? I said, yes, I'm going for a Ladak. He just wished me safe journey like that and all. So till now, like road was empty, highway was empty. Now we are seeing many cars and all going. So we are just outskirts of Hyderabad, Nehru Outer Ring Road. So this is Hyderabad. So friends, welcome to Hyderabad. You can see the city area here.